Okay, you're asked to find the derivative of this function right here. You're going to have to use the chain rule multiple times. Here's the graph of that function on Desmos, this red graph. Here's f prime of x, which is overlaid by g of x. They're identical. So f prime, this is f prime right here, which matches what I put on the whiteboard. So let's see how we get that. Think of this as something raised to the 7th power, like u to the 7th. To get the derivative of that, you'd put the exponent down front and reduce that exponent by 1, keeping the something or the anything on the inside identical. So since this is a function of x on the inside, you have to multiply by its derivative. That's the chain rule. So the derivative of this x is a 1. And now this term, how do we find the derivative of that term? Well, we apply the power rule again. Bring the 5 down front. There it is. Reduce the exponent by 1, keeping everything that was inside identical to what it was. But then we have to apply the chain rule again. We have to multiply by the derivative of u, or the inside, or the anything. So the derivative of x is 1. The derivative of sine squared, think of that as sine of x, the quantity squared. So it's the power rule again. Bring the 2 down front. Keep the inside the same. Reduce the exponent by 1. Multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is cosine. So there's your fairly complicated looking answer. I don't think you'd want to attempt to simplify that in any way. So there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.